Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be teaching part 2 of the basics of hand lettering. If you haven't already, check out part 1 where I show some hand lettering drills. I will link this video down below. Let's start with lowercase letters. Here is the finished alphabet. I have included a few different styles of writing the letters. Feel free to pause the video here to practice. Now that you have written the lowercase alphabet once, try connecting all of the letters. If you feel comfortable with the lowercase alphabet, you can practice some short words. You can choose your own words or use the ones that I chose. Don't be afraid to pick up the marker between strokes. Your lettering might actually look better if you do, rather than trying to letter in one stroke. Now you can try longer words. Minimum is a great word to practice lettering with because there are a lot of transitions between upstrokes and downstrokes. Make sure that you are going slow and not rushing. The word minimum is in real time so that you can see how slow I am writing. The last thing we are going to do with lowercase letters is letter a short phrase. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This phrase has all 26 letters of the alphabet, so you can practice each one. You are now ready for capital letters. Here are all of the capital letters. I have included a few variations of some of them. You now know the basic strokes, lowercase letters, capital letters, and how to connect them to write words. Please leave any questions that you have in the comments below, and remember, practice makes progress. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!